This video is intended to walk students through using the Extended Definition tool in Unit 4, Mini-Unit E, Absolutism and Political Power. The lesson for Day 26, Absolute Monarchy in Afro-Eurasia, focuses on the question, was the power of monarchs absolute? With the lesson objective 2, define the concept of absolute monarchy and explore its variations in Afro-Eurasia in the period between 1500 and 1800 CE. In this mini-unit, we shift gears from the study of periodizations as turning points to the analysis of power and government across Afro-Eurasia between 1500 and 1800. While we are shifting our conceptual gears from turning points to power and government, the topics and subjects of our new study will still live in some of the same temporal and spatial scales as we did when analyzing the Renaissance, Scientific Revolution, and Reformation. The major changes associated with each of those periodizations were often taking place at the same time and within the same states that you will start to study today. The term state means the organized institutions and structures of a government that established control over a particular territory and wields, has, and is able to use power over the people who live within that territory. You have analyzed a map which shows the different areas across Afro-Eurasia where absolute monarchs, the rulers of a monarchy, held power. You will be asked to read and interpret different definitions of absolutism, which is the theory, explanation of a concept of power and government that explains the rule of absolute monarchies. To prepare to use the Extended Definition tool, you are asked to read two different articles that define absolutism. The first definition is by Mark Goldie in the Oxford Handbook of the History of Political Philosophy, and the second definition is by David Parker from the Encyclopedia of European Social History. You have time now to read those sources carefully, and the next video will continue and is intended for you for after you have finished reading.